Welcome to JH. WardsLeatherGoods.com presents itself as a premium shop, but it's actually just a collection of red flags waving in unison. The domain is incredibly new and the owner's details are hidden, because nothing inspires confidence quite like a business owner who treats their identity like a state secret. Scam checkers like Scam Advisor have given it a bottom-tier trust score, while Gridensoft handed out a pathetic 1 out of 100 rating. Honestly, getting a 1% trust score takes a special kind of effort. It's almost impressive how untrustworthy they've managed to be. The site is currently warning of fake discounts, missing orders, and poor quality goods, which is exactly what you want when spending your hard-earned cash. Over on Trustpilot, the situation is even bleaker, with customers reporting ignored emails and a total lack of contact information. It seems their customer service strategy is essentially ghosting anyone who actually sends them money. The website is currently plastered with massive clearance sales and too good to be true pricing, a classic trick used to lure in people who think they're getting a bargain when they're actually just donating to a scammer's retirement fund. While the ads might look pretty, the total lack of transparency and terrible feedback makes this a hard pass. The safest option is to keep your wallet closed and avoid this digital minefield entirely.